Who is there? Who is that? Prosper. Are you there, Prosper? Is that you? Is anybody here? Is there? Who is that? Is anybody here? Hello? Yes, please, I need your help. I need your help. My house is on fire. Yes, armed robbers just entered my house. Please, I need you to come and save me. Come and save me right now. Please. Sorry, please. Thank you very much. I need you just right now. Kindly save me. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Who is there? Who is there? Prosper, are you in? Are you back? Are you back? Who is here? That who is that? Prosper. Is this Sarah? Sarah. Who is the person on that door? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Don't worry. Now, the police are here. Enter.
Go down! Go down! So, both of you are the criminals. No, terrorizing this community. Now,
No, sir.
remove everything you have seen from this house.
Bring them one after the other.
Is that your bag?
Yes.
Be fast. So you guys, unmask yourself. Unmask yourself. So you guys are using this to steal. You don't know the house you entered. Daughter of Chief Omeko. Just could you imagine? Bring everything. You even stole the phone. Eh? You even stole the phone. Be fast. Be fast. Be fast.
That's cool, sir. That's cool, sir.
Hands up. Hands up. Stand up. Stand up. Both of you are under arrest. Oh,
Officer.
you have gone. Anything you said shall be used against you guys. It's out of law. And I want you guys to remain silent. Madam, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Officer, before you do anything again, I want to remind you that I belong to the federal government. I don't understand the gravity of entering my house to do this rubbish you did. I will tell you that I'm a core member. Officer.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Let me close your mouth. Thank you very much, madam. Feel free to call the Nigeria police anytime, anything. Nigeria police.
Move it!
Is your friend. Yalla, move! Get out! Yalla, move, 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 move! Hey, come. Get out! Get out!
So these guys think they can toy my house and go scot-free. I'll show them how smart I am to work with the federal government. I am the federal government king.